So this is Keith from Fabulous Floors. He is an absolute legend. He's been working in around the area for probably longer than what he cares to admit. And we've had the privilege of him coming into our projects and working his magic on it. Can you just have a chat with us about like what the process is? Like how does it work? How many times do you have to go over it? You know, what happens from here?
Sure. I mean, this grit, the heaviest grit on a diagonal, actually levels the floor. So that then enables you to go up and down with the grain, with the higher grits. So yeah, this is a 40 grit, so this is taking off the bulk of the camber or the cupping so that it's level enough to be able to come this way. Once this is off, then say you come down through an 80, then through a 120. And once we've got down to 120, then we bring in the final finishing sander.
So you run your angles, then you run your straights, and then you run the finish over it all?
Yeah, so we go 40 diag, 80, 120 with the grain, and then a 100 on the trio.
Yeah. And then what do you prefer to put on top? Because I know there's loads in the market. There's wax, there's oils, there's, you know, Danish oils, there's, you know, that many. What do you prefer to put on it?
I use a water-based poly simply because it's the most practical, in my experience, finish to put onto a working floor. You want to be able to wash it, mop it, not have to reapply it. You know, with the oils, you do have to reapply them. And the biggest downfall is that you end up with an orange floor. All of the hard wax oils end up orange. I spend a lot of my time resurfacing oiled floors.
So like even like an oak or a hardwood or something like that, it'll completely change what the colour of the natural. So this will end up probably pretty similar to what it is at the moment?
Yeah, a few shades deeper. And then with time, the lacquer stays clear, but the wood itself matures.
What, with the sunlight on it?
Yeah, sunlight and air and just, exposure. So it matures into you know, an antique pine. Yeah, so lacquer's the way to go for me.
Wicked.
Cool.
Thank you.
Welcome.
It's going to look awesome.
Yes.